guess 100 birds' name. From easy to impossible level. Easy level. What is the name of the bird? Sparrow. What is the name of the bird? Robin. What is the name of the bird? Blue jay. What is the name of the bird? Pigeon. What is the name of the bird? Finch. What is the name of the bird? Dove. What is the name of the bird? Crow. What is the name of the bird? Cargo. What is the name of the bird? Chickadee. What is the name of the bird? Hummingbird. What is the name of the bird? Canary. What is the name of the bird? Lark. What is the name of the bird? Eagle. What is the name of the bird? Bluebird. What is the name of the bird? Warbler. What is the name of the bird? Cuckoo. What is the name of the bird? Nightingale. What is the name of the bird? Waxwing. What is the name of the bird? Sparrowhawk. What is the name of the bird? Barn owl. What is the name of the bird? American goldfinch. What is the name of the bird? Mourning dove. What is the name of the bird? Northern cardinal. What is the name of the bird? Downy woodpecker. What is the name of the bird? European robin. What is the name of the bird? White-throated sparrow. What is the name of the bird? Ruby-throated hummingbird. What is the name of the bird? American robin. Medium level. What is the name of the bird? Kingfisher. What is the name of the bird? Nightingale. What is the name of the bird? Seagull. What is the name of the bird? Hawk. What is the name of the bird? Parrot. What is the name of the bird? Wren. What is the name of the bird? Swallow. What is the name of the bird? Starling. What is the name of the bird? Magpie. What is the name of the bird? Blackbird. What is the name of the bird? Grebe. What is the name of the bird? Woodcock. What is the name of the bird? Redstart. What is the name of the bird? Siskin. What is the name of the bird? Spoonbill. What is the name of the bird? Myna. What is the name of the bird? Teal. What is the name of the bird? Lapwing. What is the name of the bird? Stonechat. What is the name of the bird? European starling. What is the name of the bird? Red-winged blackbird. What is the name of the bird? House finch. What is the name of the bird? Northern flicker. What is the name of the bird? Dark-eyed junco. What is the name of the bird? Song sparrow. What is the name of the bird? Himalayan monal. What is the name of the bird? House wren. What is the name of the bird? Osprey. Hard level. What is the name of the bird? Pelican. What is the name of the bird? Falcon. What is the name of the bird? Heron. What is the name of the bird? Crane. What is the name of the bird? Egret. What is the name of the bird? Kestrel. What is the name of the bird? Puffin. What is the name of the bird? Gull. What is the name of the bird? Cormorant. What is the name of the bird? Pelican. What is the name of the bird? Shrike. What is the name of the bird? Wheatear. What is the name of the bird? Swift tern. What is the name of the bird? Snipe. What is the name of the bird? Ruff. What is the name of the bird? Tern. What is the name of the bird? Vireo. What is the name of the bird? Flycatcher. What is the name of the bird? Plover. What is the name of the bird? Avian condor. Hard level. What is the name of the bird? Shingle. What is the name of the bird? Kakapo. What is the name of the bird? Harpy eagle. What is the name of the bird? Secretary bird. What is the name of the bird? Quetzal. What is the name of the bird? Lyrebird. What is the name of the bird? Bataleur. What is the name of the bird? Cuban trogon. What is the name of the bird? Ocellated turkey. What is the name of the bird? Cotzon. What is the name of the bird? Zora. What is the name of the bird? Phinopepla. What is the name of the bird? Upland sandpiper. What is the name of the bird? Azure gallinule. What is the name of the bird? Hornbill. What is the name of the bird? White-crowned pigeon. What is the name of the bird? Red-eyed vireo. What is the name of the bird? Wandering albatross. What is the name of the bird? Marbled frogmouth. What is the name of the bird? Oilbird. What is the name of the bird? Hoary busted. What is the name of the bird? Sunbitten. What is the name of the bird? Himalayan snowcock. What is the name of the bird? Black-crowned crane.
Thank you. Bye bye.